Hey guys, ready to join the world's biggest digital wallet? So in this year, creating a PayPal account is faster than ever thanks to biometrics. And let's begin. So just go to your search on Google and just type in PayPal, and you will get, as you can see, the page of the official website. And now everything is pretty simple. So you go here, then press on sign up. And in order to sign up, you need to provide your email. And after that, after you provide the email, you will have to choose between the personal or business accounts. So if you're just shopping or splitting bills, just stick with personal. If you're a freelancer or selling on eBay, go business to keep your taxes separate. And then PayPal will send a 6-digit instant verify code to your phone. Type that in to prove you're human and not a bot. Alright, and then once you're in, you can just go to your wallet right here and then go ahead and add your first card. So just click on here, and as you can see in here, you just provide your card number, expiration, CVV, and all of these details, and just link a card. They will send a very small amount onto that card. Withdraw a small amount of that from your card, and then they will send it back. This is done to check if your card is legitimate. And after that, lastly, just check your email for the confirmation link to lift your initial spending limits. And you're officially ready to shop globally. So that's it for this one. Pretty easy to do. Enjoy and see you soon.